Welcome back, everyone. If you have been wondering how to start investing in the stock market as a complete beginner without feeling overwhelmed by Wall Street jargon, charts, and conflicting advice, you are definitely in the right place because today we are breaking down a simple step by step beginner's guide tailored specifically for US investors looking to build long term wealth, secure their financial future, and make their money work for them. First off, forget everything you see in movies about frantic trading floors. Real wealth building for everyday beginners is about patience, consistency, and starting with the right brokerage account. Whether that is a tax advantaged Roth IRA or retirement or a standard individual brokerage account with the user-friendly platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Once your account is open and funded, the golden rule for any beginner is diversification, which means instead of trying to guess the next single stock winner, you should look into low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, commonly known as ETFs, like the S&P 500, which instantly give you a tiny piece of America's top 500 companies in a single click, drastically lowering your risk while matching historical market returns. From there, the smartest strategy you can update or adapt is dollar cost averaging, a method where you automatically invest a fixed amount of money every single week or month, regardless of whether the stock market is up or down, taking all the emotional guesswork out of timing the market by automating your contributions, focusing on broad market index funds, and keeping your eyes locked on a long-term horizon rather than daily market dips. You are setting yourself up for financial freedom. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below sharing your biggest investing question, and let's start growing